A long, long time ago, two friends were returning from camping. I walked towards the forest, but they didn't know what was going to happen.
Oh my god, do you heard that?
I think we're gonna have some problems, Sam.
Sam and
God,
Zach
oh my
were
God,
facing
oh my
a
God.
bear. The two friends had been running for their lives before arriving at the cliff.
Nothing is better than a little footing. Haha.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
At this moment, Sam and Zach had no solution, but Sam has looked behind him and what has happened? A man on jet ski is coming for help them!
Cheveux longs comme Nikita. Si elle me quitte pas, je la quitte pas. Chiquita, chiquita. Elle a le regard qui tue, qui
Oh bro, don't kill us, we're kind.
After our negotiation, the bear understood the two young men don't want to harm the forest.
Hi guys, I am sorry for the disagreement. If you are really kind, I can help you to find the forest exit, but I need a proof of your kind. Oh, you are really kind guys. I will help you.
So, the three characters have been walking a very long time until they are in front of a cave.
The exit is a portal in the bottom of the cave.
Thank you, you have been a really helping guy.
But during the two friends were walking in the cave, Peter the snake appeared and the chill guy became the dark guy.
It's been a long time since I ate, but now it's tea time.
Bro, I'm shocked. Why we have trust a guy who smokes puff?
I don't know. It was the only solution we had.
You guys are so stupid. Why the exit of the forest would be in a cave?
It seems we need to fight.
No problem. When I was young, I was 10-time world champion of Fortnite.
Okay.
Oh my god, what a beautiful shadow boxing! But Zach had another idea.
I'm going to get my secret boot out.
Oh no! What is Zach doing?
It wasn't the good boot. I meant my secret weapon.
At this moment, nobody was ready to see Zach's weapons.
No, Zach. Do you really want to use this technique?
We don't have another choice.
But the last time we used this technique, we destroyed half of the planet.
So, be it.
No, they are not seriously did this. The two friends have been used a technique that been forbidden for several million years. And that's how the world's two greatest threats, Peter and the dark guy, were defeated. Peter! The dark guy! Sam! Zach! And the narrator!